Making our way to a pomegranate farm in Jebel Akhdar. This is the first stop. Lovely views. So over here. And even better, the weather is perfect up here.
How are you?
Thank you.
Welcome to Jebel Akhdar. Muhammad speaking from the Jebel Akhdar local tour guide. Here you can see the first village is called Al-Akbar and the second one is Al-Ain, third one is Suwgra. In Al-Akbar there is still somebody living and they start to rename the area. It's a good idea. In Al-Ain also there is some family living in Suwgra. Unfortunately everybody moved to the new house on the other side. As you see there is a terrace to grow them fruit in the bus because the main job in the bus, the farm. They grow it from the top until down there. But right now they only focus on the top because they don't have enough water and they don't have enough people who are working in the garden. The second village is famous by the rose. As you know, the rose season is in March and April in the mountains. Thank you.
Now we're at a private farm and getting ready to pick some pomegranate. When do we know that it's ready?
You can see the color of it from outside. If it is yellow, that means it is ready right now. And you can pick it like that.
We finished picking our pomegranates, filled up our box, and now we're heading to another farm to go take another tour. And the pomegranates are so sweet. Here we are at the next destination, Ramana Farm. Here we go. How cute is this place? I have no one to sit with to get everything out that I need to say. That's what this sign means. So I'm just waiting for somebody to sit down. How cute is this area? They've got a cafe straight ahead. You can order fresh pomegranate juice. And also they've got some light appetizers, like walking tacos for a snack. So here in the back of the farm, this is where you can pick pomegranates. So anybody can come here. These cookies look delicious. Mohammed, thanks for taking us here. What's next on our agenda?
The place here is called the Sugra village. As you know, it's one of the old villages in Oman. It's more than 500 years ago. The people, they used to live in that kind of the house in the past until 2014. 2014, everybody moved from the old house to the new house in this side. And after that, they start renaming the houses. They start by this project of the guest house. They started by 2 rooms. Right now we have 11 rooms. Okay, let's go to see the area and also
Sugra, first down a few, well not a few, about 300 and some steps, and then we'll go over some loose rocks, cross a short bridge, and then we will be there. Here's the bridge we're crossing. Dry wadi that you can go through and hike. And we're almost here. Not a bad view at all. We're almost here, and this is just a gorgeous, gorgeous spot to have lunch. Great views, nice place to go walking. I'll show you the inside in just a second. Okay, we have arrived. Here we go. Hello, Mohammed.
Hi, welcome.
This is the cafe. Not a bad view for a coffee. There's also a terrace. So if you want to sit up and enjoy an even more spectacular view, as we make our way to lunch, it's really nice exploring this guest house because I was here a few years ago with friends and there are so many changes. A lot of the rooms that were still being built are now built. They've got the cafe that I showed you pictures of, and a lot of people are coming here for the view, even just to have some coffee. But it's also a perfect spot to book a room for the night and you will just be in heaven.
The coffee shop and the restaurant and reception. Those two rooms, the first room is what we renovated in 2016, and after that we moved to the top up here. We are standing right now above of us like a gathering point for all of the tourists together. Number 2 is the private rooms. Number 5, 4 and 5 and 6, it is like a villa, a stay, yeah, like a suite.
I think this is what we've all been waiting for. Some delicious food, kabuli, kapsa, beef, dessert, and even the best part, the view. So here's the nice sitting area if you booked the suite. And now we're looking at the VIP room. Check this out. This completes the tour, and we've had a wonderful day here, first starting out at the pomegranate farms, picking pomegranates, followed by a lovely lunch here at the Sugra and a short tour of the guest house. For those that are interested in staying here, I will leave the details in the description. That's it for today. Ma salama.